Welcome back. This is a continuation of our Predetermined Motion Time System module, or PMTS, within the Kaizen Copilot software. In this session, we'll explore one of the standards we've recently introduced. To get started, we'll first create a new study. From the list of standards, you can choose from MODAPS, MTM-UAS, or MTM-1. For this demonstration, we'll select MTM-UAS. Next, enter a project name. Then specify whether you have a reference video. If you do, select Yes and choose the video from the list. After that, you'll be asked whether you'd like to automatically break down the cycle into steps. If selected, our AI model will segment the video and divide the marked cycle into steps. Once done, click Create to continue. You'll now see a screen with two options, Change Video and Mark Cycle. Change Video allows you to replace the selected video. Mark Cycle opens a new page where you can mark the cycle. To mark the cycle, press the space bar to begin, then drag the slider to adjust. The entire video will be shown, and you'll be able to fine-tune the slider. Pressing the space bar again will confirm the cycle. You can also adjust the playback speed for more accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Save, then proceed by clicking Next. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the number of steps in the process. For our example, the cycle contains 9 steps. Enter the number, confirm, and the automatic scan discovery will begin. Please note, this step may take some time. While it's processing, you can close the study and return later, or simply wait until it's finished. Once complete, you'll be taken to the Steps page, where the video will be displayed along with the list of steps detected by our model. Each step will also include its substeps, automatically populated with the standard PMTS codes based on the chosen standard. Here you have full flexibility. You can edit or verify steps, remove steps or substeps, modify descriptions, codes, or frequencies, or even re-estimate the codes using the Estimate Code button. Once everything is finalized, click Finish to move to the results page. The final results will display the complete list of steps, substeps, their codes, TMU values, and time in seconds. From here, you can also generate an Excel sheet for your study. And that wraps up this tutorial. You can now exit and move on to your next task.